Hello everyone, my name is Neha Yadav and my presentation topic is detector used in gas chromatography. So what is detector? Detector produce electric signal proportional to the concentration of component of solute. A detector have ideal characteristics. A short response time, easy of use, non-destructive to sample, adequate sensitivity, good stability and reproducibility. Detector used in gas chromatography are flame ionization detector, electron capture detector, thermal conductivity detector. Flame ionization detector. The detector has inlets for hydrogen, which is the carrier gas, air, or oxygen to burn the hydrogen and the eluent gas from the chromatograph. Hydrogen emerges through a hollow needle and it's burned as it emerges, giving a colorless flame. The influent gas is mixed with hydrogen and the mixture burned in excess of air. The thermal energy of the flame is sufficient to cause the ionization of the molecule in the influent gas. A potential is applied between two electrodes. The increase in current between the two electrodes when ions are formed in the flame is amplified and recorded. The ion current is approximately proportional to the number of carbon atoms which enters the flame. The flame ionization detector relatively simple and highly sensitive but destroy the sample. It is also insensitive to most inorganic compounds like water vapor and air. Second is electron capture detector. Electron capture detector is a modification of the ionization chamber used for detection of radiation. Electron capture detector, the influent gas is exposed to alpha or beta rays from a radioactive source. When the compounds in the influent capture the free electrons, there will be a decrease in current, and this is measured in contrast to the measurement of increase in current in other ionization detector. The influent from the chromatographic column is exposed to slow electron generated by the ionization of the carrier gas, which is either argon or nitrogen, by a constant flux of beta rays from a radioisotopes. When electron capturing molecule in the influent gas capture an electron, the result is the formation of negative ion of much higher mass and consequent reduction of current flow. Electron capture detector is very sensitive detector for certain compound such as halogenated organic compound, but it is insensitive to compound like hydrocarbons. The detector is very useful in the detection of ultra trace amount of metals. It is also used for the analysis of insecticides and pesticides. Thermal conductivity detector. One of the most widely used detector in gas chromatography is the thermal conductivity detector. In this detector, the change in thermal conductivity of the carrier gas is measured by a thermistor. A thermistor is a small lid prepared by a fusing oxide of metals. The carrier gas used is either helium or hydrogen. Sometimes nitrogen has also been used as a carrier gas because helium is costly and hydrogen is dangerous. But the sensitivity is greatly reduced. In the detector, two pair of matched thermistors from the Wheatstone bridge circuits are arranged. The carrier gas, which is a reference, is passed over one pair, while mixture of carrier gas and column influent is passed over other pair of thermistor, which is sample. When the pure carrier gas passes over both the pair of thermistor, the bridge is balanced. But the when mixture of carrier gas plus influent gas passes over one pair and pure carrier gas over other, the bridge is unbalanced. Because of unequal cooling of the two pair of thermistor, the extent in imbalance is a measure of the concentration of the column influent in the carrier gas. The imbalance is put to a recorder to give the chromatogram. As can be easily seen, this is a differential technique based on the difference in the thermal conductivities of the reference and sample. Thermal conductivity detectors are comparatively simple, reliable, and its sensitivity is sufficient for most purpose. Thank you.